Hi, I'm Owen from Square Balloon, and this is a quick tutorial on how to make a new cPanel account. So you need to log into your WHM and then click on create a new account. Simple enough. Conversions for coaches. Okay, so that's the domain name. The username it will generate for us. We'll create a password. I won't create it in clear vision because we probably use this. Right, so I've got a password, so stick it in here. I'll put my email address in there for the moment, and we'll change it to the customers later. You can choose a package if you have them. We leave everyone on the same package, it's fine. Settings, you don't really need to change, but you could change the theme there, but I don't. Mail routing, if you've got an external email such as Office 365, you would want to put remote mail exchanger. If you're using cPanel for emails, you can leave it on local, or you can automatically detect it, which we'll leave it as that for now. As this is just a dev site at the moment, in fact this is a dev site, so we'll make it a dev site. So in this case I'm going to actually make it a subdomain. Versions for coaches.square. So I'm going to make it a subdomain. So I'm going to make Square Balloon as our main domain. I'm going to make it a subdomain of that. DNS settings. You should just make sure DKIM is enabled because that protects you against spam and SPF as well. You can use the name server specified at the domain's registrar, which you probably would want to do a lot of the time. In this case, it doesn't matter because these are our name servers. So I'm going to hit create. We pretty much always want to use our own name servers on this one, but there might be cases when you don't. So hit create, and it will create the account. Now that that's created, you can see it's worked. There's no error message, all green ticks. Sometimes it might say there's an error message. The most common one that I see is that it doesn't like. Oh, there's the password. We'll have to change that. Sometimes it doesn't like the username to be the same. So it's the first 6 letters of the username cannot be the same as the first 6 letters of another username. So I think that's a bit of a weird rule really, but that is the case. So every now and then if you're creating a dev site and a live site and they're very similar in usernames, that might cause you a problem, so be aware of that. Now it's created, I can click on cPanel and I have all my cPanel options. That's enough for this tutorial, and next I'm going to teach you how to create an SSH certificate in cPanel. If you like our tutorials, please hit subscribe.